Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your account details and opening the app. Enter your Okta username on the sign-in page if prompted, then choose Okta Verify as your authenticator. Once done, the app will ask for camera access so you can scan a QR code from your Okta portal. Grant permission now. Make sure your device is online because the app needs to reach Okta servers. If you're instructed to add an account manually, keep the activation code from your Okta portal ready to paste. You'll now connect the app to your Okta account by scanning or entering activation details. On the Okta web portal, click Setup, then Okta Verify to reveal a QR code or a 12 to 20 character activation code. Once you scan the QR with the app camera, you should see your account appear. If not, tap Enter Code and paste it carefully. Make sure the displayed account name and organization match what you expect, because that prevents adding the wrong profile. When the app indicates success, proceed to you finish by using the factor the portal requests. Approve a push notification or type the 6-digit code generated by Okta Verify into the sign-in page. Once accepted, you'll be logged in. Make sure to note any backup options offered, like SMS or recovery codes. If the code is rejected, first ensure your device time is synchronized to network time and retry. Also confirm you scan the correct QR or enter the exact activation code. If persistent errors occur, contact your IT admin for a new activation link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.